Okay, so this video is for you in case you are worried about other people accessing your TikTok account with their devices. Maybe you have permitted them access before now, okay? And you want to control the access that they have to your account. Maybe they are your social media managers and now you want to control the extent they have access, or you want to be sure you are aware when they have access to your account. So this is going to help you follow the steps that I'm going to outline here, okay? So first of all, click the hamburger button up there, the three lines top right, click on it, and then you go over to settings and privacy. Alright, so when you come to settings and privacy, just smile, right? Yeah, because you're about to do something that will be so beneficial to you. Have you smiled? Alright, let's continue. Now go to, there are a few things we'll be sharing here, so pay keen attention, right? Now we are heading over to security and permissions. Click on it. Okay, I want to begin from the bottom, the second to the last item you have down there, which is apps and service permissions. I want to show you what is there. So I click on it. So here it shows you that you are using TikTok for business. If you click here, you see details of it. So if you want to remove access to this, but there's no need for that, right? So in case you see that you think it's where to remove it, no. So leave that. Now moving up, let's come to security alert. Let me show security alert. Let's see something. Okay, now if you notice here, there are two devices here. Can you see? Infinix X693, and down here you also have it. Okay, now if I click on security alert up here, you see it says no unusual account issues. Okay, so that's if there is any issue. Here is where you will be alerted. Okay, here is where you'll be alerted. So you needed to know that. Let me take it back. Now let's come to security checkup. Okay, click on it. Security checkup. Now this is where we would handle last. Okay, we'll come to this place last, so bear it in mind. So let's return. Now the one we'll get to now is this place where it says manage devices. Very important. Click on it. So can you see all the devices that have had access to this account? Okay, including web access. Can you see? Alright, so here is where you can have details of everything. The current device is what you see up here, probably your own. That gives you the edge to delete all others, because if you look at current device, you can see the delete option, but down here you can see the delete option, so you can begin to delete. So if I click here now, I can remove this. Can you see? Click, just keep removing all of them, removing all of them. You see? So as you're removing them, they are logging out, but it's not over yet. Just bear in mind. Okay, so can you see remaining two? So I can still go ahead and remove these two. Let me remove one more. This one now. So this one is web. I can still remove it, but let me leave it for now. So you have removed all the devices that you don't want to still gain access to your account. Then let's return. I told you that we'll be coming to security checkup last. Okay, now when we click there, I'll show you two routes to it. When you click security checkup, then you see that the only thing that is not ticked here is passkey. For me, it's not all that important, right? But you see there is a phone number, there is email, there is a two-step verification, there is a device, that's your device, there is security activities. Okay, but this two-factor verification is where I want you to pay close attention to. Okay, so if you click on it now, can you see the things here. I have the phone authentication, email authentication, I have password. I don't have authenticator, that's Google App Authenticator. So we'll set up that, okay? But then look down here where it says manage trusted devices. Don't miss this. Click on it. Say it couldn't load. It has to load though. It has to load, okay? So let's take it back. That's where you look to be sure that everything is okay. Maybe it's our network that is making it. So devices means that these devices are not supposed, okay, to be verified before they have access. Okay, so any device that you don't mark as trusted must request a verification, and that's why it came on that two-step verification. Okay, so any device you put down here will bypass verification. So that's where you want to make sure that your social manager's device is not connected, is not listed, right? So that's it. Maybe I'll check the network, or let me just refresh this and be sure that everything is okay. I'm just stepping out from there. Let me just go here, and normally we'll go to storage, then clear cache, just to refresh everything and be sure. So I log back. Don't forget where we stopped, right? So I'll take it to my profile. Okay, let's return to the hamburger icon. 3 lines up, then settings and privacy, then security and permission. Remember I told you the last time, smile. Okay, all right, so we were on security checkup, right? Let's click on it again. I didn't refresh my network. Let me do that. Just toggle your airplane mode. Okay, so let's go to two-step verification. It's still not loading up as supposed. So you notice now that even the other one is not coming up. You can as well see two-step verification down here. You can click on it as well. You see it's having issues. So now when apps are having issues like this, I normally advise you check your Play Store if internet is not the problem. That's Play Store if you're using an Android phone, right? If you're using an iOS, you check your Apple Store. Okay, so let's go to Play Store and see if there's any updates for the app. So TikTok. If internet is not the problem, can you see there's an update? So I'm updating it right away. So I'll continue after the update. So it has completed the update. So we open again, go to your profile, clicking the button down there, then hamburger icon up there, between lines, then settings and privacy, and then smile again, then click on security and permissions, and then go to security checkup. So let's click on two-step verification. So can you see what we have here? Then let's click on manage trusted devices. So can you see it's opening now? Okay, so here is the final knockout. Okay, so this device now you see what it says here. You won't need to complete two-step verification when logging in from a trusted device. That's what I was telling you. So if you don't want your social media manager to have automatic access, okay, you need to remove that person from here. That's what I call the final knockout. Okay, if I remove this account from here now, even though it's the one I'm logged into, you see that I will struggle to have access until I get to be verified. Okay, so I'll leave this here because this is my own device now. Alright, so if not, click on this remove button or delete button and it will be gone. It is the final knockout. Note it, trusted devices. This way to do it. Okay, you remove it and leave only the one, your own. Okay, so let's return. Now you can set up the authenticator by clicking here. Okay, you can as well do it from, I will return here just a moment. You can as well do it from, let's step back, do it from here where it says two-step verification. Okay, where we went before is security checkup, and we saw two-step verification. So if you also click on two-step verification here, you also come here, right, and see authenticator. So when you click here, then you can either scan, okay, or copy this code. So when I copy this code now and I move out, let's move out, I'll go to my authenticator app, which is this. Let me zoom in so you see this authenticator app here. Okay, so I click on it. Alright, so I'll click on the plus sign down here, then enter code. I'll click on it, and here I'll paste my key, the one I copied. Here I'll write TikTok, then time-based key, I'll leave it there, add. So anytime if I copy this key now, just press and hold it, then return to this place, click on next, then we can paste the key. It's on now. Okay, as you can see, everything is set up right, and when we come to trusted device, it's only my device. Okay, so that's what we want to do. Alright, so we return to where we started, and we see that everything is set. Go to manage devices to be sure that everything you did is in order, right? So just a moment, it's loading up, and you see, can you see what we have here? So remember I told you can remove things from here, devices from here, if you don't need them. Okay, so I think we are done at this point in time. So do like, share, and follow this page